They have all the qualities of upgrade irons, but are the only ones which you can use to shape extremely long hair and create on-trend looks. The Titanium Pro Create Professional Irons. This is due to the rod of about 19 centimeters, which also envelops the longest strands easily. The result? Defined curls over the entire length of the hair. Like the Titanium Pro, the Titanium Pro Create irons are the best for recreating the cool looks of fashion shows, with a definition of style never seen before. The rod, in titanium with advanced technology, guarantees improved strength and a homogeneous distribution of heat over the whole lock of hair. Titanium Pro is available in 3 different diameters: 19mm, 26mm and 32mm. The digital color display intuitively manages the temperatures. Each color indicates different heat ranges. The blue LED means that the iron is heating up. The green one that it has reached the optimum temperature of 180 degrees. The red means that it is at the maximum temperature of 210 degrees. Each hair type has its ideal temperature. At power on, it is preset to 180 degrees, the most suitable for normal hair, but it can be adjusted from a minimum of 60 degrees to a maximum of 210. Also at the forefront in electronic temperature management, with the MCH ceramic double resistance, the desired temperature is quickly reached and remains constant throughout the styling process. Titanium Pro Create is complemented by other features that make it really powerful. The basic design ensures ease of use. The handle, with a soft touch finish, ensures a secure anti-burn grip. Titanium Pro Create. From today, create perfect fashion looks, even on longer hair.